I'm Bahari, and I'm going to be doing a video on opening a present for my friend. She had, because I'm buying a newborn baby, a real care baby too. She gave me a little present for, yeah. So, okay. Okay, here's the ball. Let's just throw this paper right off. Cool. She gave me a bunch. She gave me little baby toys, a little ball for the baby. 2 bottles, I can feed it. 2 other bottles, with 4 bottles. She gave me 4 pairs of socks. A towel, I guess that she cushion towel. And a napkin. And I'm guessing this is for when I birth her, but cute. So I guess I'm going to get this bottle inside a protector bag. Little mini diaper bag. This is all new stuff, so because I was like, well, we went to Toys R Us and I guess we just put that down there. Get the little socks. Who's these of I love mommy? Her mom. Okay. Got a good little doggo size. She had one of these, but it was like blue because she had a really baby too, and it was annoying. And it also came with the card. It says, congratulations on your first son. And it says, I hope you go to his pregnancy safely. I hope you have many more to come along. And cute. And then I guess you put the little bottles on the side pocket. Little bottles on the side pocket. Like that. And a little napkin. Sorry for my accent. And then what is this? We have to back to carry along. Cute. Well, thank you. Thanks for watching. And look at my many more videos to come. I'm going to be doing a little diary entry on when I have my my real care baby. So, and I'm going to do a grand opening, so just subscribe and like down below. Thank you.